Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Today is, well, it's been determined that today's Thursday, not Friday. Today's Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Yes, I'm very congested. I don't feel very well. Thank you so much to Mary for emailing me and reaching out to me and asking me if I'm okay. She hadn't seen a video from me in a while. And yeah, I've been under the weather, and I got a tooth yanked out on, I don't know, Tuesday, I think.
Yeah.
Got a tooth yanked out on Tuesday, and I mean, that's okay, right? But like I've been sitting on this bad tooth for ever since COVID started back in March, and I was paranoid to go to the dentist. And this tooth was like, it was wobbling back and forth, and it was hurting me, and then I just put up with it, and then it would kind of like go away. It wouldn't bother me for a bit, and then it sparked up really bad on the Monday. So luckily I was able to get into the dentist, and he could yank her out on Tuesday. But I don't know there's got to be something else wrong, because right here, like the pain is severe, and today's Thursday. And no, I don't have dry socket or whatever that's called. I don't have that. But the pain has never left here. I just feel like I've been punched in that bone there. Yeah. Anyway, so a box of Kleenex is always near because I'm like so congested. So sorry for sniffling and snorting and all that stuff, but I've got so much to tell you guys. I'm like really backed up on my videos. Like I don't even know what I'm doing or what I'm saying, but today I wanted to make this particular video because I started making when did I start this? I don't know. I will put everything in the description box below. It is called the Bobble Stitch Alphabet Baby Afghan. It's a YouTube tutorial by Yarnoculous. And I cannot pronounce her name, and I'm sorry if you're watching, I can't pronounce your name. Anjana. I'm not going to even try to attempt it because I will probably mutilate the pronunciation. Anyway, this is what I was looking for, baby blankets to make, and I found hers, and I really liked it. And I was like kind of shocked when I saw it. Her videos, she just started May 14th in 2020. She has about 28 videos up now. I don't know if you can see this, but this is her YouTube channel. And yeah, I found, when I did a search for, and me, I'm like addicted. I'm so addicted to textures and bobbles. So this was perfect for me. So she has a series of videos, and they are the alphabet bobble rectangles. And yeah, so I've done A, B, C, D. Anyway, I've gotten I put the borders on up to D. So I have done up to L. I've got up to L done. Yay for Lisa. Yeah, so I'm behind now. So I just saw today that she posted her final actually it's not going to be her final video though, because she's still, yeah. But anyway, she posted the video for X, Y, and Z. So I got to get my button gear and do all the other letters between A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Oh wow, I'm really behind the thing. I'm really behind. But you know me, then I start other projects and other projects. And I got so many freaking projects, guys. I don't know where I am. And then, so what like really sparked me was because, guys, in her video that she put up today, she has an Etsy shop, but she also has her own shop, and she put this pattern for this Afghan in her shop. So I was like, okay, I'll go check it out and see what it costs. Oh my God, guys. Okay, $2.99 Canadian. What? Oh my God, it's like 33 pages long. Yes, of course I bought it. And then there's a space there that you can leave tips. So I left a tip for sure. Because $2.99 Canadian, you guys in the States, what? You guys will be paying like what, 30 cents USA money? So yeah. So I was super excited that she posted that. And she's got the patterns available on her shop called piracreations.com, as well as on her Etsy shop. I will link both of those links below. I bought it from her piracreations.com one. Well, actually, where is it? Right here. I can show you guys. Here it is, right here. And guys, 50%. Well, not okay. I'm not going to say that because that doesn't include the patterns. But she has a few. Items for sale as well, and her items are 50% off right now, off all items, and free shipping on orders above $22. Now, I don't know if that's Canadian only. I don't know. You'd have to go check it out. But everybody go. So here's her, let me see. Where was I there? Let me see here. Yeah. There's her site. I'm probably pronouncing Pira wrong as well. And so shop now, and I want to make this one so much too. Okay, hang on. So there's the blanket, the Alphabet Afghan crochet pattern for $2.99. And that to me looks like her standard always price, guys. So I bought it. And I want this. I want to get this one next. Where is it? I want to make that. I mean, you know what? Where am I going, guys? Oh, my arm is broken holding this. Where'd it go? Oh, good Lord, help a woman out. My arm's gonna bust. Where'd I go here? Where am I going? I can't do, oh, here it is. I can't do two things at once. I want this. I want to do this blanket, guys. Whoops, down, whoops. Yeah, I want to do this blanket. It's the Crochet Lots of Love pattern. It's $2.99 as well. And look at those hearts. Thank you. Yeah, I want to make that, but I'm like, Lisa, stop it. You finish this one and everything else that you have in there, because I'll tell you right now, guys, I had these stacked up in my little cart, all nice and neat. And you think for the life of me I could find what yarn I used, what hook I used. Like, she recommends using a 5mm hook. And you know me, I kind of maybe change up my hooks every once in a while depending on the yarn. So I'm like, oh, did I use a 5mm for these? Oh, I had it written down on a piece of paper somewhere. I thought it was in my book. Wasn't in my book. I don't know. I'm a mess, guys. So anyway, I love this so much. Yeah. So check her out, guys. She's new. Like I said, she started her channel May 14th. And she only has, I can't believe it, she only has 180 subscribers. So come on, guys. Come on, Yarny community. Get your butts over and subscribe to her channel, please and thank you. Tell her Lisa sent you. She seems so nice. And, well, to boot, hello. whenever I see, yes, I'm Canadian, so whenever I see a fellow Canadian out there, hello, yes, I'm subscribed, and I'm like all over them. So she's Canadian. She's from like Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Go Canada! Yeah, so her patterns, she's got a few other patterns. Like I said, I think she's, you know, just started out there in May. But she says she's got a lot more coming, Afghans and that. So super excited. Super excited. So what did I use? Okay, the yarn I think, of course, my ball bands are missing. So I think I used this yarn. And what is this yarn? This is when I got that, oh, where's it from though? What's that store called, guys? Hobie or Hobie Yum? I think it was my Hobie order. The We Love Yarn Mega Ball. And remember I got it's 100% acrylic, number 4 weight, and they don't give color names, they just give color numbers. So this is like obviously gray, and I believe from the looks of things, that's the yarn I used. What hook do they recommend? They recommend a 4 to 5 millimeter. So this is a light 3. So that, see, and she used, I believe she used, that butter yarn, the feels like butter yarn. I think that's what she used. She has a tutorial guide. Her tutorial, what did she use? Anyway, she tells you everything. What did she use? Yeah, she used Lion Brand Feels Like Butter. So, yeah, I'm wondering if I used a 4.5 millimeter hook for this. Oh my God, guys, where's my papers? Anyway, so I did the gray, and then this yarn, which is color 419. I'm assuming it's a plum, like a plum. I'll call it plum. So the plum and the gray. I guess probably if I went to their website, I could look at the color number and they would give me a color name. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, this, I'm using a 3 lightweight. Something tells me I did this in a 4.5 millimeter hook. Ooh, I've got to find that paper. I've got books and notes and papers and, oh, Lisa, organize your life. But anyway, are you guys proud of me or what? So, yeah, I love it. I got the A and the B. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Yep. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, M, blah, blah, blah. Yay for me! I love it. So I gotta get my button gear and get mine finished. But I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that everybody go over to her channel and subscribe. I haven't seen her. I don't know her from a hole in the ground. She seems very nice. You just see her hands. I don't know what she looks like. Yeah, so let's all go over and give her a big yay. Wouldn't that be nice, guys? Yeah. She's gonna succeed. She's gonna succeed, guys. She's good. Yeah. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's all, folks. Yeah, and like I said, her patterns are $2.99 Canadian. Leave her a tip, guys. Oh my God, that's a lot of work. Like, you know, a pattern that is like a 2-row repeat or whatever. But every letter, every letter, your stitches are going to be different because your bubbles are going to end up somewhere else. So that was a lot of work to me to put into a pattern for $2.99. And like I said, it's 33 pages long. Yeah, PDF form, right? You get it in PDF, you download it. Yeah. Oh, I'm on fire, guys. Okay, so I think that's it. That's all. Yeah. Okay. I gotta get finished this. I'll save that for another video. Okay, I'll talk to you. I might actually make a video right after this. I don't know. Because I got some happy mail, guys. Rusty! Where's Rusty? I gotta go find Rusty. Okay, bye everybody. And thank you so much to Yarnoculous. Thank you so much for the tutorial, guys. It's a tutorial, and you can buy her pattern for this. So check her out on YouTube. Her link will be below, as well as her shop and her Etsy shop. Everybody, stay safe. Happy hooking. Bye. Okay, so here's her channel, and these are all the tutorials she has out for all the letters for the Alphabet Afghan. Eek, I want to make this one so bad. I want to make that one so bad. Okay, Lisa, pay attention and finish your alphabet. Here's some more of her videos. And there we go. So everybody head on over and give her some Yarny love. And yeah, subscribe to her channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.